Andre. Hi, morning. How you doing? Yeah, I don't know. Eh? Who fix it? Technician? Oh, a phone he fix? Fin job? Yeah. Come follow me go to the my youth. Why? How can I position in? Good morning, guys. My youth, me away by you. I'm on my way to school. Hence my glass. Good morning, darling. How you doing? In gone out so. Same thing. On my way to school this morning is a school morning. Hold on there. Yeah, this morning is a school morning. I have a presentation today. Hence, I got school early. And what else? I'm so upset with myself, disappointed. Collarbone and show and beatings. I haven't exercised in a week. I was so tired this week. Like, seriously tired. I'm studying. I have tests, I have an exam this morning too. And I didn't get to study as much because like when I come home, like I'm so tired. I just drop asleep. Like me have drops, I don't know. But I need to start taking my vitamins daily because I have some vitamins, but what I do, I normally miss out some days. But I'm really gonna be consistent in taking my vitamins because I'm exercising. You know, my body is different, so the vitamins help me build up back. Because remember, say I get cleansing every day, you know, detox. So I have to put back the vitamins in my body. That's why maybe I'm so tired. Yeah. I'm starting exercising back today. Today's Saturday. So I'm gonna come from school. I put in like a 30 minutes. Besides, I'm not pressure my body upon the exercise. 30 minutes high interval exercise, cardio, and that will be on Fitness Blender. They have a lot of exercises on Fitness Blender. Go and check it out. If you want some high interval training cardio to lose weight, burn fat, you know. Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans. I can't bother. Because I can help me with my bag. My bag heavy, come here, my laptop bag and sitting. Yo, my youth. Vanny. I saw one pants take long to put on, my youth. Yeah. 9 o'clock, my free to school in a youth. Don't follow me. My head hit me when I'm ready. Baiting. Yeah, guys. No makeup. I'm gonna start work on my skin overall, not just my face but my overall body. I'm gonna start doing some tutorial on things that I do, like to you know, fade out them spotlight. I'm gonna start work on them and same thing, you know, because Sky Life is all about having the best life possible, you know, health wise, financial wise, success wise, and that is what I'm working towards as a team, and we all will accomplish that together. Whee! I can't laugh in. Come.
Come in, Malibu. Come on.
Thank you.
No, man, not yet.
Funny.
Oh, your daughter when they ask for you, know.
But they're taking a step in a goat poo.
Where they?
Funny,
Yeah.
you want to sing one song for me this morning?
No.
Please.
No, that's cool. I can't, my little, don't stress me out.
I'm not stressing my youth.
Stress me out.
My youth.
You know I can't manage it.
My youth sing one Christian
I'm
song.
tired.
You can't sing one Christian song.
No, Melissa, just understand how you feeling now.
Which feeling?
You understand?
You're stuffy.
You not sound good in my voice. You know.
Who tell you that? Where you get that from? Tell us you not sound good.
I can't close. I just don't know what's on my foot now.
Me I go you have forward at church tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
Saturday.
I don't know look how it feel like Saturday. How am I going?
Yeah, come to church tomorrow? Van, what me tell about doing that? Me not laugh, man. It's not funny.
I will have them if you go make this year. I think I did question, you know.
Let me just look.
I'll go on, mommy.
Eh?
Yeah, video me now. I'll show you. I'll go
You,
on,
you,
okay?
um, you,
Yeah, my boy, respect.
you subscribe to my YouTube channel. What if I forgot to have no? Nothing. Your phone fix now, you can go on YouTube now.
Everything you can do now.
So I'm going to send over my YouTube channel, MELICASKYLIFE.
We will do that for now, for sure.
My youth, that's for my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to tell you.
Yeah.
How much time I'll tell you that?
This is going to be real, man. No worries.
What? Come over here,
Man,
sir.
man.
Come over here, sir. Me, I can't work in my vlog, my youth.
Let's go outside.
If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to stop what you're doing. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button.
Yeah, okay.
And show the love.
Yeah.
Leave a comment below. I want to hear
That's
from you.
Melissa. Yeah.
So guys, currently, I'm going to take a drive. I don't want to late for school. Later.
Yeah.
Beep. Wait, so guys, I'm finished with school, but I didn't get to do my presentation today again. So I have to do my presentation next week. I did an exam today. Things you don't know, we're working on life, we're working on success, we're working on being the top, the number one, the best. Peace. I'm on the road. Guys, your girl is currently home with Bae right here. We're about to do some videos. Match up the thing. The month of April is gonna be lit. A lot of videos. We're working on it. No videos in March, but in April, every single day. Your girl, Melika.
Which video every single day in April?
That's what I'm working on. To give you guys a video every single day in April. You know, we roll deep, deep, deep. I got fake people
Showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Belly flat like a pancake. Mama squad, your skin clean, thick ties. Pushy bright, something never chase. Well, 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 well.
Guys, so I'm back now from town and I'm about to exercise. Me I go warm up and bathing. Then I go inside and exercise. But kind of extra, that's I'm outside now. Bathing. So, ready?
You have to put on roll on.
Everything. So guys, I'm basically warm up now. I'm gonna get my workout in. 1 hour for today. Straight coming to workout for a week. So I'm gonna go inside and now and be things. Fitness blender, that's where I'm gonna work out from. So you type in high interval cardio workout. You burn fat, build them guns, abs. Guys, before I go inside, I wanted to show you what I want to have on. First and foremost, on my belly. I have on my belly gun. You can get this at my Big Cartel website. Then I have on my my exercise belt is under this. So first I would apply my belly gun to my belly, then I put on my exercise belt. Then this is the bodysuit I was telling you about to give you the inner tuck. I put on that, then I put on my shirt over this, and then I'm ready to go. When I finish now and take off this, I'm gonna be sweating like crazy, I tell you. So the belly gun, you can get it at the site if you're interested to lose that belly fat and get snatched. Anyways, I'm gonna exercise. Bye. Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.